I get food.
So you went to Mary Haven for substance abuse?
For both bipolar and whatever. I got all my medicine too.
So your medicine goes there also?
Mm-hmm.
What drugs do you normally use?
I use fentanyl, all that good stuff, but I'm on Suboxone now.
You're on Suboxone now and you haven't used any Fetty in a while?
No.
You use any crack in a while?
No, I've been up for days. I haven't got to eat or sleep. I've been walking. Every time I sit down, someone bothers me to die.
On April the 3rd, 2023, an officer with the Columbus Division of Police had a civilian ride-along join him for the day. The civilian told the officer she wanted to learn more about drug addiction and homelessness in the city. At about 11 a.m., the officer observed a female who appeared to be homeless and addicted to drugs. He used this as an opportunity to provide his ride-along with the information she was looking for. This conversation is a little difficult to understand, but the woman told the officer that she receives a disability check from the government and is entitled to housing. She also left a drug treatment facility 4 days prior to this encounter. Despite the money she receives from the government and the treatment she recently received, she is still homeless and addicted to drugs.
How you doing, hon? What are you up to?
Just going to the bank. Can I go to the bank?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Where are you coming from?
I'm walking from that way, trying to get to the bank. I got $1 to get on the bus, and I can't get an Uber.
What bank do you go to?
Grove City.
Grove
I have no
City?
money on me right now. I got $1 in my name.
How are you going to get to Grove City from here?
I'm going to try to get my dollar.
Use $1 to get on the bus and go down to Grove City? What are you trying to do in Grove City? You're trying to get down there?
Go to the bank. I don't have any money for it.
You don't have like an ATM card or anything?
No, sir. I know it's my dad's house. Oh, out in Londonderry.
Is he like your payee or something?
No, he just keeps it.
He keeps it for you? Does he deposit it in the bank? Or?
It goes in my bank account. I didn't get it last month because I was on another program.
Okay. What program were you in?
In Mary Haven, 2 months.
Okay. How'd that work for you?
Okay. I'm starving now.
You're starving now?
I got to eat out of trash. I'm dirty.
Yeah.
You're frozen.
Where have you been staying?
Walking all night.
Where do you normally stay?
Just walk.
You walk all the time? Do you ever sleep?
Not really. I sit down and take a break at the bus stop.
Yeah.
Can
What?
you give me an Uber to my bank?
I can't give you an Uber to your
I'm
bank,
so thirsty and
and
hungry.
I can't drive you down to Grove City. I might be able to get you some water.
That'd be great.
Okay.
I can get $1. I need to get on the bus, man. I'm so desperate. I don't ask people for nothing, and I'm too bad to get a dumpster before I ask anybody for shit.
Here, let me get you some water first.
Thank you.
Hang out right there. There you go.
Thank you, sir.
You're
My
welcome.
bus is right over there. I will go to get certified and ask them for change.
Do they usually give you stuff that's certified?
No, I don't go there. I always get ice there.
You just get ice there?
All I got.
Okay.
They always change. That's all I got.
How long-
Smoke cigarette.
How long have you been living out of the street?
Well, I've been out for about 4 days now.
4 days. Where were you before you
I
went
was
to Mary?
down in the bottoms. There was robbing me left and right, so I left. I came, last night to get Starbucks at the casino and pop and coffee. It got warm. I ended the socks last night.
Where were you living before you went to Mary Haven?
Outside.
Outside? How long have you been living outside? For
I've been
years?
outside for a while.
Okay. Did you have a tent or something before?
No, I don't. I get robbed a lot. I don't stay around people. I go around with my sisters because we got tow rooms. I hide in the woods. I just keep walking. If someone does something to me on one side of town, I go to the other side of town. I'm safe and stuff. I gotta get food.
So you went to Mary Haven for substance abuse?
For both bipolar and whatever. I got all my medicine too.
So your medicine goes there also? What drugs do you normally use?
I use fentanyl, all that good stuff, but I'm on Suboxone now.
You're on Suboxone now, and you haven't used any Fetty in a while?
No.
You used any crack in a while?
No, I've been up for days. I haven't got to eat or sleep. I've been walking. Every time I sit down, someone bothers me to die. Trying to get me to suck his dick or do something. Want me to suck his dick for beer or shit. I have to keep going. I have a fucking vape. That's all I got out of a carton of cigarettes. They stole it. I'm not okay with being around anybody.
Yeah. Well, when I was over there for a few minutes, and I could see you over here. You were kind of dancing around and stuff, acting like somebody that's...
I'm getting ready to go to the bank. I'm excited. My check just loaded. Yeah. And I didn't get one last month.
You don't
So
have
my
a debit...
sister had to go to rehab to me.
You don't
And I
have a
owe her that money.
You don't have a debit card or anything?
No, I don't have a debit card. It goes to my dad's house.
And you don't nobody out here that you normally hang out with?
No, I don't. I usually go to the casino and get cigarettes, but I don't ask people for shit.
How'd you end up out here if all your money and stuff is in Grove City?
I always go to Grove City.
But why would you...
I go to the first one, Grove City. I shop in Grove City.
Why do you come back up here instead of staying in Grove City?
Because I have to stay around different places. I can't sit down and be still. They want to take my stuff. And have sex with me. I don't want to have sex with these men. I'm not that kind of person. I don't tell myself, so I have to keep walking. It's scary. I got raped. I'm not okay.
So you've only been out of Maryhaven for 4 days?
About 4 days, yeah.
And do you have your mental health medications with you?
Yeah.
Have you been taking them like you're supposed
Yeah.
to? Are you sure?
Yes, sir. I got them all wet, too. I washed them.
Are you on the
water? I have to wash all my stuff because they threw everything out of the ground.
Are you on the right dose? Is everything working the way it's supposed to?
Everything's working, sir. I just need some time to myself and go get my own money, okay? I need my own cigarettes. This is not okay. I don't eat all dumpster. I'm okay with this. My mom died 5 years ago. I don't ask people for shit.
So you get a check. Do you get Social Security benefits?
No, disability.
Disability.
Yeah.
So if you get disability, why don't you have an apartment or something?
I have to quit helping people. Helping people and helping the wrong people.
So you let people move in, you got evicted?
I've never had a place in this. My mom died now. I moved from Chillicothe. I got evicted for helping prostitutes and homeless people off the street before my mom died.
They take over your house, start selling dope out of there or something?
I'm Chillicothe.
In Chillicothe?
I don't have a place in Chillicothe.
What about up here? So you went to Maryhaven.
I don't want to be in Columbus, Ohio. And then it needs like town, like nobody.
I know, but
absolutely nobody.
You have like
nobody's nice to me. Everybody's fucking mean to me. Mean as fuck, even church people.
You have
I don't want to be around nobody.
You have like a case manager, right?
Yeah, I got these man named Josh.
Okay, and he can help you with housing.
I won't be around nobody right now, no man either.
So you'd rather just be out here walking all
No,
the time?
I gotta go get my money out of the bank. I can't. See, they just sit and stare. And some drivers slow and stare. Like they like to right to stare at me all the time.
Yeah.
I am not to be stared at. I don't want to be looked at. I walk through woods and back alleys for that reason.
Well,
I am not a prostitute. I don't want to be picked up. I don't want to be around nobody. I have my right to be that way.
no, that's true. Like, you don't need to be harassed by people and all that kind of stuff.
You know, and I don't.
I try to avoid people as well. I find the best way to avoid people is...
I want to get to the bank. To hold me back. I'm 3 more hours. I didn't wait. God, I'm trying to get right with my friends. I need an Uber or a taxi. They won't give me money. I'm supposed to have cash on me. Can I please go to the bank?
Yeah, you can go.
God, what time is it? Is it 2 o'clock already?
It's 11
I
o'clock.
called from Kroger.
You
That's
just
way
walked
down
from
there.
Kroger? Okay.
To see my money
not
look.
far.
Thank you.
Okay, good luck.
My